This is how to protect a sheet or ranges in a Google Sheet. So let's get started. The first step is to come to Google Sheets and open the sheet where you'd want to do this. Once you're here, select Data, then Protect Sheets and Ranges, and here click on Add a Sheet or Range. And as you can see, we have two options. So we can either lock a range of cells in a certain sheet, or we can lock a sheet as a whole. So I'll show you both of these. First, let's start with locking a range. So for this, select range and here click on this box, just delete this and now click on this icon to select the range. So let's say I want to lock the salary column. I'll just select the range and then click on OK. After that, click on Set Permissions, and over here we have two options. One is to just show a warning, so when someone is editing a cell in that range, they'll get a pop-up. Or if you want to restrict who all can do this, then select the second option and then you can control the permission. So currently it's only me, but to change this, just select this, then click on Custom, and from here we can add more email IDs to this list. For now, I won't add more. I just click on Done, and now it's done. As you can see, what we did just got added over here, and we can actually give a name to this. So just click on it, and here just enter a description. So I've called it Salary Lock, and I'll click on Done. And now it's come here. So the same way, you can lock a range of cells on different sheets. And now I'll show you how to lock a sheet as a whole. For this, click on the plus button and now come to Sheet. And here, you'll find all of your sheets in this drop down. So here, I have Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, which is same as here. So now, let's say I want to lock Sheet 2. I'll select that. And then we have an option to exclude certain cells. So if I click on this, then over here, we can select a range of cells that people can edit since the entire sheet is locked. So to add this, just delete what's already there, click on this button, and now we'll select the range. So I'll come to sheet 2, and let's say the entire C column I want to allow. I'll just click on OK. Then again, we can set the permissions, and these are the same as before. Click on Done, and now it's done. As you can see, the lock icon has come next to sheet 2, and people can only edit column C since that's what we've set. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.